There we go. I had to regroup. Now watch this. There's another one. Now we're gonna start pulling some people out. I feel my hands. Like that. Here's another one. That's it. Two. I got him. I bring him over here. Look at that whole, that's a whole planet right there in my hand. Believe it or not. And how I know this? Because when my star travelers come down and eat with me, we'll be all in a group, and it'll be two planets. I said, what is that? They said, that's our moon. I said, really? I said, where? From Nebula, from Sirius, from, they go off. Oh, I said, no, that's it. See this one right there? This is one we want. And he'll take it. And then they'll come right to join me. There you go. Now watch this. Watch this. Do this and squeeze hard and whop. Watch this. My hand's tight as a monkey's fist. Right? And they would take my hand and they almost broke my wrist the other day. Well, I was fighting them. I don't want them to take it. But they're squeezing my hull. They're doing that. No. They're doing that. They're doing that. I'm not. And then boom, that's all I got. That's what they want. That's what they want. And then pull my hand. Pull my hand. All right. Now I regroup. Now I squeeze. Like that. And here they want it. Just like that. Now watch my hand. Watch what they do. Like that. Oh. Now I gotta catch them. I'll put it down. You should feel my faith. That's what they want right now. Here we go. Here it come right there where my mouth is. Oh my God. And this is what you do. I always do that little angle right there. Right? See, I can't see I'm floating by. Then once you do that, they will tighten that hole up. They'll tighten it, tightens it down. See, once they start tightening it, they'll tighten it where you can't put a BB in it. Watch when they see how small it is? Then that right there has got some action. But you can't see. That's so tiny you can't look. But that's what they love on it. All once they adjust it, I can't see. See if the damn camera, I zap it over. It's just a tilt. My hand feels like it's floating there. Oh, we get it. Oh yeah. I can't see. It hurts my hand. My hand weighs like 100 pounds. Here they come right through that. Motorcycles, bicycles, boats. I know it sounds ridiculous. Watch, see you go through there. You say, huh? It hurts. I'll take it. This shit, thanks. I gotta take it. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. I'm burning. I can't. Man, I can't get. That thing's hooked up today. I can't. All right, it's good. Now I gotta get around it. All right. So the fun part is, they're all right here. Huh. You think they're in the sky? No, they're not in the sky. Oh, no, this guy now. Right here. Everybody, right, look. There's payment right here. You have them all right here. There you go. I know they send you numbers, they send you address, they send you. That'd be right here. And look, they like the shade over there. This shade, man. This guy's out of sight and down the line. Who we got here? Uh-huh. No, I saw you buzz by me. I saw you come in. Look what they do right here. Yeah, oh, this was just now. Oh, this is just now. Oh, yeah, they leave me a good one, didn't they? That's what you guys put on me. Ah. Uh-huh. Now I got. I'm one-handed, you see. Let's see what they put me. They put me in happy birthday. Huh? Oh, who we got there? That's one of them coming. Put some numbers on me now. Oh, yeah. Now you put me a good one. What kind of numbers I got today, huh? Let me see. Let me see. I'll play it live. They dodge you up right here. Is that right there? They just did this. Just right now. There you go. Yeah. Okay. That's not a problem. Yeah, I mean, they do fine work. Yeah. And this guy here is always hungry. They're always hungry that way. He said, gee, wait, man. What are we eating today? You got any salami? Yeah, the salami nut. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what they put on my feet. These people, they get down there. They don't mind putting, look, they're right here. They come right to the bread. Look at this guy, hey, man. He's biting on my foot. Come on. Come on. It's crazy. They want to know. Look at this. These are my feet. I don't know whose feet they are. This guy, he's laughing at me. He's laughing at me. These are my feet. Whose are those? Jesus Christ, how many feet I got? Look at feet laughing. Hey, you laughing at me? You laugh feet going? It's crazy. There you go. Alright, so that's maybe I ought to be in a nut house. Huh? Yeah, I can teach people, listen. I'm nuts, I'm good at it, you know what I mean? Ah, look at this. That's my that's great. Yeah. Have you ever seen anything like this? Wait till you see all of that. The sun's here. Numbers and addresses and stamps and all kinds of symbols. And I wish I could. Anyhow, you get the point. All right, folks. We got it. Don't leave me. Oh, and here's another thing. I gotta go do it. Right here in just a minute. I gotta see. Yeah. I gotta see my lake friends.